Let's dance with the shapes.
Oh, shapes.
Coming from the pipe. Pop, 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 pop. What a yummy type. Dancing, jumping.
Oh! Look at the pipe! Oh, it is shaking! Oh, it is stuck!
I am so excited! What will come out? 3, 2, 1.
Circle.
Round and sweet. Marshmallow circle. What a treat! Now, let's play a game. What do you guess will come down? Can you guess? Did you guess? Oh, keep your eyes open. 3, 2, 1. Square. 4 sides are here. Look at the square. Let's cheer. And now your turn. A new shape is coming. What do you guess? I know! It has 3 corners. Did you get it? Watch. Triangle. 3 corners here. Look at the triangle. Let's cheer. Are you ready? Here comes a new puzzle. What shape is hiding? I see it. It is long. Like a door. 3, 2, 1. Rectangle, long and tall. Like a door or a big wall. Look up high. It shines in the sky. Do you know what it is? It is shining. It has 5 points. 3, 2, 1. Star. Shining bright. Twinkle, twinkle, what a light. A shape full of love is coming. Can you guess what it is? It goes beat. Do you feel it? 3, 2, 1. Heart. Full of love, so true. A yummy shape for me and you. The last puzzle. It is round but tall. Do you know it? It looks like an egg. Round and tall. 3, 2, 1. Oval. Round and tall, looks like an egg,